Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my new stickers that are now available on my Etsy shop. I have quite a few to go over, so let's just go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to start off with these stickers here, and then we'll go into the monthly budget stickers. I have come out with some sayings or some single topics so that you can put into your budget if you don't, like using one of the budget planners and you just want like a nice header to kind of create your own budget in your notebook. That is perfectly okay, and this is why I created these stickers. So we have savings goals, cash envelopes, savings tracker, sinking funds, budget, transaction log, oh my gosh, my dogs, fitness goals, fourth paycheck, third paycheck, another budget, first and second paycheck. So these are if you have, say you have an Erin Condren or a Happy Planet, or you use just a notebook for your budget, you're able to put this on your planner or your notebook, and then you can create your own way you like to budget your budget. So that's these. Next we have these. I came out with month stickers for these are to fit the new Erin Condren budget planners, but you also can fit them in the Life Planner by Erin Condren. You can also use these in other planners as well. So this is just months, January through December. And then here I just have a little set here that comes with savings tracker, fitness goals, this month tasks, and savings goals for you to, kind of just customize your monthly planners and how you like to do things. So I released those as well. Next, we have new planner stickers, which I am super, super, super excited about. The first one here is payday stickers. They come in black, blue, orange, pink, and purple. These are really super cute. They have like a little money symbol there and then payday. We have these new Friends planner stickers. I did change a few things up on my planner stickers for the Friends thing. I wanted to add a few more iconic symbols like the Central Perk symbol, the little, what's this called? Etch-a-Sketch, 15 Yemen Road Yemen, Hugsy of course, and the Friends script. So I really like this new planner set. This is also available, and I think it's a really good way to decorate your monthly planners, your weekly planners, anything you want to use these for. And then lastly, for the planner sets, we have How I Met Your Mother. These I also changed up a little bit as well. Originally, I had a few icons here, but I just didn't really like them, so I went ahead and made these ones. I really, really like these as well. They're perfect for weekly, monthly, anything that you really want to use these for. They're excellent. So, and if you're a huge How I Met Your Mother fan and a Friends fan, these are going to be perfect for you. Okay, so now for the September monthly budget kits. We're going to go over the 7x9s first, and then I can show you the A5s. So here are the 7x9s. First up, we have the cash envelopes. This is kind of coming off more purple in the video camera, but it's actually like a pinkish purple color. It goes really, really well with the September color for the Erin Condren budget planner. I think this color complements it really, really well. So we have cash envelopes, transaction log, debt tracker, of course, sinking funds, and then we have, where did my first paycheck? Oh, here we are. First paycheck, second paycheck, third, and fourth. This is our September budget. And then the small washies or the thin washies for this month. I love the pink and purple floral with the pink glitter. I think this washi kit came out really nice this month. So this is thick washi A. B, I love B so much just because it's nice in purple and floral, and I just think it's a really nice pattern. And then we have C, which is kind of on the neutral side, more grays and a little bit of pink in there. And then we have the weekly check-in. Comes with 4 weeks to go by, and then the tags down here at the bottom to help you, mark which week, and as well as the weekly check-in script. So those are the 7x9s. These are our A5 September budget kits. Again, we have cash envelopes. They're a lot smaller. The difference here with the A5 and the regular 7x9 scripts is I'm just going to grab one here. So the A5s have the thinner font, just like the regular size font. The A5s are a lot bigger, and they also have a thicker font. So that helps you pick, which ones you would like on your, for your planner, the size that you have. They are also labeled on my Etsy shop, but that's another indicator as well. So we have cash envelopes, transaction log, debt tracker, sinking funds, first paycheck, second paycheck, third, and fourth paycheck. These really come in handy when I like to budget my paychecks out, so I know how much is going where, and it keeps me from diverting and spending extra money that I don't need to spend. For the washies, we have again the thin washi. So freaking cute. This is our September budget. Thick washi A. It's the same design, they're just smaller to fit, A5 planners. Thick washi B. And C. And then last but certainly not least, this is our weekly check-in script. Again, you get 4 columns for the 4 weeks, as well as the tags down here at the bottom. So that is everything that is now available on my shop, guys. I really hope you guys like them as much as I do. I've really been enjoying making these budget stickers. Oh, let me show you what the planner stickers look like in my planner. This is the weekly check-in. See how beautiful the thick washi looks up here? This is just thick washi, see? And then you can accent it with a thin washi down here. So this is how I have mine set up. And then we have September budget. These are the 7x9 stickers, by the way. These are first paycheck, second paycheck. I love this background. It looks so freaking adorable and so nice. I just love the way you can just decorate it. And here's a thin washi down here as well. Next page is my debt tracker and my cash envelopes. This is behind thick washi A. Just like the nice little sketched out flowers. And then we have our transaction log back here. So that is the 7x9s. And then we have our A5s, I'm sorry. So this is the September budget. Weekly check-in. I like to switch my layouts up between the A5s and the 7x9s just to see, a difference in budgets and which way I like to budget. So we have September budget, our weekly check-ins. Next we have first paycheck, second paycheck, debt tracker, cash envelopes. And on the back, we have our transaction log. I'm just like super obsessed with this background. Like they are so stinking cute. So cute. But anyways, guys, that is all the planners all the stickers we have for today. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.